What's good, YouTube? Today is probably one of the finales to my AMC series, because after watching this video and the other two videos I posted, if you haven't already, I promise you won't need any updates for a while, because you should feel so confident in the squeeze and the price action that you won't even have to worry about checking the stock price until May 6. Now, what's happening on May 6? I've gone over it many times, but just in case you haven't seen my other videos, which you should check out by the way, AMC is having their earnings announced on May 6, which should be blown out of the water. If you want to go over the earnings estimates, I'll link it in the description. Now, if you have already watched my first two videos, I predicted a few things, and I'm going to be sharing them and adding to my predictions for tomorrow. This is the part where I'll be explaining why not to panic sell, even on a red day, and it's hard watching like Doge and Ethereum blow up, but trust me, just wait our turn. This is probably one of the most important parts of the video, so stay tuned. I'm going to be explaining why we're in a better position than when we're at $14 by just showing you the charts. We're actually in an amazing spot right now, so if you haven't watched my video I posted yesterday, and actually my first one, which I'll be getting into, I said that, let me just zoom in, right here, we're at about, I think we're around here-ish, before we closed yesterday. I said that I would be expecting a pull down to our support level. If you don't know what a support level is, it's just a price, a price where the price is bounced off of multiple times. So right here, I said that our support level was about 916. It is, and I said that a great position to buy in for tomorrow is 920. I personally added to my position. I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys got on 920 because I pretty much got this prediction spot on. I said that once it hits its support, it should bounce right off and we should start a green uptrend. And that's exactly what happened. We started our uptrend and we bounced right off. It's pretty hard to see on this chart, but by the way, the support level is not that green dotted line. I can't get rid of that. It's the blue one. It's right under it. See, we bounced right off that and started going in the green. I did say yesterday that I thought that the price was going to end at 950. It was more of a hope, really, but we actually did get pretty close. We made it to 940. However, it was more of the buying in and the bouncing off, which is more bigger of a thingy. But anyway, I'm going to be explaining why this is good. Even though we're in the red, even though we're at $14, and now we're at 940, why this is good. I explained this in my first video, but I'm going to be explaining it again. So, pretty much, if we scroll over here, way back in February, you can maybe already see it. You've got this triple top pattern. It's really, okay, it's really hard to show you. I don't know what's happening with my chart, but see right here, we had a small peak, small peak, small peak, take off, and we came back down almost to where we started. It's pretty much where we started, went up, and then we started this huge run up. We formed our head and shoulder and then our new trend. And now, why is this important? You can think of these consolidation periods as a rocket refueling, and this is where the rocket comes to refuel. See, we came back up, came down for fuel, came up, and came down for fuel here. And now we're about to take off again, because the reason these are called patterns are called patterns because they repeat themselves. That's the definition of a pattern, something that repeats itself. If we come over here to this consolidation period, this refueling station, if I can just draw this up, this is our refueling station over here. Now we're all the way over here. This is our new refueling station. This is new consolidation. What looks similar here, you might be asking? Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3. 3 heads. Once again. Then we took off a little bit, formed our left shoulder, our head, came right back down to where we started, which is exactly what happened over here. And then we started our bull run. And it was a bit bumpy, but we made it all the way up to $14. Now, this pattern has been repeating itself since, I don't even know. I spotted it back over here, and I made a video on it before Trades did, actually. I'm actually glad that he made a video on it because he reached out to more people, but I'm not copying other YouTubers. I did see this pattern before trades, so don't say that I'm just plagiarizing. This is exactly what happened over here. We saw 3 hits, push up, all the way back down, and then if this pattern does repeat itself, which should happen because that's what patterns do, we should see a green day tomorrow, small push up, and then we should see another bull run. Also, on the RSI, if you don't know what an RSI is, it's basically if the buying pressure is really high or really low. The middle is just the average, what it should be. Really high means it's overbought. Really low means it's oversold. And what happens every time it gets oversold? We're in the oversold territory right now. Every time we're oversold, boom, massive buying pressure. Oversold, massive buying pressure. Oversold, massive buying pressure. And now we're oversold again. The pattern does indicate that we should see our massive buying pressure, volumes up, and the earnings are on May 6th, which is in 2 days. And that's why this is the great position AMC's been in. The best, I mean, is because this pattern is just going to repeat itself. With the catalyst coming up, it's just going to be amazing. And you guys are going to see amazing things happen on May 6th. I don't think we're going to squeeze on May 6th, but I really think that it could influence the pattern to repeat itself and keep the hype and the volume up. Because we were seeing way more volume over here than over here, which can be concerning, but May 6th, it could really help us out here. We actually might not see a green day. I would be expecting us to, but if we drop back down to 920 and just consolidate, that is fine. That's my second prediction. But if I had a price prediction for tomorrow, I would honestly say 980. Why 980? Well, if we come over back here, we saw a run up to about 920, which was about a $2 gain, I think. But, I mean, it was about a $1.50 gain. But this time we have, like, half the volume. So I think we could get up to 980, which isn't bad. If I was looking to buy in tomorrow, I'd be definitely looking for it to retest the support, especially in the early market. We often see a sell-off. So if you guys could try to get back in at 920, that would be perfect. And I did say in my last video I was going to reveal how much money I had in AMC on my Instagram. I forgot to, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to say it here right now. I'm 14 and I hold a position. I hold just over 600 shares. That's what I'm going to say. I'm not going to convert it. You guys can if you want to. I hold quite a big chunk. And I'm not selling. Well, that's the chart analysis out of the way. Remember, a rocket is just about to take off, so just be patient. Now, if we come over to Ortex, another prediction I got right. Again, I'm on a streak with predictions. I said that utilization, because it dropped down yesterday, was going to go back up tomorrow 100%. And it did. Not only that, on a red day, short interest went up by quite a bit as well. It went up just over 1%, I believe, but this is all the information I have right here, but I did watch another video on it. You should check out other videos as well. Buying pressure has been going up even more than selling pressure. Another prediction I got right, I went into a huge depth on my first video. No other YouTuber that I'm aware of has covered the depth of the buying pressure and selling pressure that I did. So if I had to recommend one video for you to watch, it would be my first one. And it's probably why my first one got a lot more views over here. This one got 1,100 views, which is my most viewed video. The second one I did only got 80, so I don't know what's happening, but in this video, it just goes into huge depth. I really recommend it. This is the depth part. It explains the shares, the selling, the synthetics. This pretty much explains why and how AMC is going to squeeze. And this video is explaining why you shouldn't be scared. And why it's still going to squeeze after the negative news, which is coming up now. AMC's Entertainment Holdings reschedules its annual meeting of stockholders to July 29. Now, this does look like a bearish thing. It does look bad. But I'm going to tell you why this is good. It gives us more time to build even stronger business fundamentals. We've got a lot of movies coming out within that time. Expanding businesses, more vaccines, more openings. It will help with the squeeze. It won't. The company won't be on It won't be as like a penny stock as much. It would have fundamentals behind it, and the business is growing. So it makes it a great long-term stock as well for long-term buyers for the whales as well. That's pretty much it. Don't be scared of this. We've still got the earnings. Don't get this mixed up with the earnings. Yeah, I'm just checking. Is that all I had to go over? Okay, so I think that might be it actually. This is very good place for AMC. And I'm just going to end it off with this little clip of somebody flying over, I don't know what country this is, in a plane with a AMC to the moon banner. So yeah, just have a great night, and yeah.